Do you know where your mouse is? What about how to hold it? No worries, we're gonna cover both in this video. First things first, the mouse is our primary navigation tool. So the idea is to be able to use it efficiently and comfortably. Now, in order to do so, we have to get familiar with its anatomy. So here it is, we got the left button, which is our primary. This is the one that we're gonna click the most. Then we have the right button. This one gives us different options or a different point of view. And then we have the scroll wheel. This is to quickly navigate pages up and down. Now that we know the anatomy, let's see how to hold the mouse. Hold on. Before we continue, if you find this content useful, please consider subscribing. It really helps out. Thanks for your support. So first off, grab your mouse and place it on top of a flat surface. Then place your palm on top of the mouse, fingers positioned above the buttons. Now the key here is to relax your grip. This will keep your hand and wrist comfortable throughout the day, so we don't want to have a death grip on our mouse. Just keep it nice and relaxed. Next, we want to find the sweet spot. This is where your mouse will be gliding smoothly and you have full control over it. You can adjust this by moving your mouse on the surface, feeling for the spot where it moves the easiest. Once you find it, keep that same pressure and apply it to the other side. Again, we want to keep a nice even pressure on both sides of the mouse. And finally, let's test it out. So take a couple of deep breaths, relax your hand and wrist, and then move your mouse around on the screen. Notice how your mouse is gliding smoothly and effortlessly. That's the idea. This will not only help you be more efficient when using your mouse, but it will also prevent strain on your hand and wrist. So now you know how to hold your mouse and where to place it. In addition, you learned how to move it efficiently and comfortably. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time and get used to the new technique. Your hand and wrist will thank you in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.